Dude, guess what?
What?
It's got my cell phone.
Damn it. That's cool, dude. Can I see it?
Get out.
Sweet. That's nice. That's nice. Where'd you get it?
Yeah, I got it off the bargain. It was used.
So, what ringtone do you have?
Miss Dowdy Jen. That's weird.
What?
One of these ringtones is 666.
What was that? Dude, that's the devil's number. You shouldn't do it.
Oh, I'll put it on.
Dude, no. Anything could happen.
It's a ringtone. What could happen?
I don't know. I'm gonna go look it up, you know. And don't listen to that ringtone.
I'm not.
Shit happens.
Oh shit. No, I told him I wouldn't do it, no. What am I talking about? You're not my mom. I can do whatever the hell I want. But maybe he's right. Like, I don't know, he could have a point. Bullshit! It's my phone, I could do whatever the fuck I want with it. It could be like a virus or something. That's retarded, like, and what if it is? What if it is? Like, how's he gonna find out? Yeah, he'll never know.
So you can suck my dick if you don't like my shit. Cause I was high when I wrote.
That was a rip-off.
Dude, so I looked it up on Ask Jeeves.
Wait. Ask Jeeves?
Ask Jeeves.
Well, alright, whatever. What did you find out?
How about Google?
Alright, whatever. No.
How about Wikipedia?
No.
YouTube?
Just tell me what did you find out, alright?
So I looked up 666 on Ask Jeeves. And, yeah, that's how we roll.
Yeah, alright, so what did you find out? Come on.
And it said, 666, if you
Yeah, alright, the ringtone?
Yeah, if you listen to the ringtone, you're gonna die in 7 days.
What?
Dude, I'm sorry. No way. You listen.
It's kind of a funny story, really.
No, it's not funny. You're gonna. I don't give a fuck about you.
Dude,
it's your fault. I told you not to do it. Or you
like you sure there's anything about like this, like where the killer lives or who he is or?
Oh no, that's classified.
Wow. Looks like you and me got a little problem here. Yeah, well, I'm gonna die in a bit, so. That sucks. Well, alright, I'll call you if anything happens, and yeah, we'll take it from there.
Yeah, see ya.
Right?
Have fun. Do whatever you do in 7 days.
Yeah, sure, yes. It's gonna be cool. Yeah.
Yep. See ya.
Alright. Dude, guess what?
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got some chicks on this phone? Oh, damn. What number? Dude.
What the? Check it out, man.
Alright.
Don't open it up, just like.
It's nice. Yeah. Oh, nice battery. Okay. Yep. So, oh, what is this? Nice camera, dude.
That's just
Nice phone, got it. Yeah. Oh, really? What ring do you know? Dude, that's the devil's number. Don't send it as that.
you. You're the one that. No, yeah, you're right. Sorry. Yeah, my bad.
What?
One of the ringtones is called 666.
You can see the fucking camera.
Yo, let me see that.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, no, I'll go look it up first. We'll try it later.
No, come on, like it's a ringtone.
What could go wrong?
Nothing. Right?
Exactly. You didn't even.
Matt, get the
You
out.
Let me see.
Stick. Right. Nah, you gotta just turn off the lights. You don't flicker them. Just
Directed and edited
no one
by
will see them.
Travis.
Alright, just stand on the door.
You bet.
Damn it!
What the heck? Action!
Not that loud. Not that loud.
I'm gonna do.
Bye, Mom. Love you. Yo, I'm glad I caught you.
Action!
Action.
Action!
Action! Dude, oh my god. Dude, I looked it up on Ask Jeeves and
Yet. So hey, what's up? Hey, you could have done some of this. Just throwing that out there. No.
alright. 1 second. He's filming from a different view. Action! Let's get in the tree. We're gonna fly away. I'll never get us.
That was so hard to work with.
I know.
What? Sorry, I mean you taking.
I need an apple cup.
I went outside. I went outside and you guys weren't there, so I'm just like, whatever.
Oh, just acting.
What was that? Do that. It's...
Get in the house.
Alright,
Close the door.
If all of a sudden
YouTube.
No, we're not using this shit.